adolescence, adulthood, air pollution, ambitious, annoying, anxious, appearance, arrival, arrogant, athletic, atmosphere, attached, attached to, baboon, bald, be better off,
beard,
behave,
belongings, benefits,
berry,
bill,
bold, bossy, bow, bracelet, brave, bug, build,
business dinner,
care about,
carefree, challenge, charity, childhood, colorful, common sense, complexion, count on, courageous, cruel, curly, dark,
daughter,
departure,
disagree, disagree with,
dishonest, dive in,
downshifting,
easygoing, effect, elder, electricity, embarrass, extended family, extreme,
facial,
fair,
father-in-law,
fill with,
fit, flat, forgetful, frank, freckles,
free, free from,
friendly, frizzy, full, gather, generous, get a promotion, get married,
good manners, graduate,
greenhouse gas, grumpy, hang,
happy,
hardworking, hazel, heat, helpful,
high-powered,
homeland, honest, hooked, hunt, hunter-gatherer, impact, impatient, in person,
inconvenient,
indifferent, indifferent to,
infancy, insecure, interpreter, keep track of time, lazy, lean, lie, lifestyle,
lip,
live off, looks,
matter of time,
mean, meaning, messy, middle-aged,
mother-in-law,
moustache, movement, native language, nature, necklace, nephew, niece,
nomadic,
nosy, nuclear family, of average height,
off the grid,
open-minded, outgoing, oval, overweight, pale, part-time job, pay attention to,
pay rise,
peaceful, pick up, plump, polite, poor,
possession,
properly, protect, provide, quiet, quit, ranger,
refrigerator,
release, responsibility, responsible, retire,
rosy,
rude, sad, self-confident, sensible, sensibly, sensitive, set off,
shaved head,
short supply, shoulder length, shy,
simplify,
single-parent family, skin belt, skinny, slim, sociable, soil,
start a family,
stingy,
straight,
suitable, suitable for, take pride in, thin,
trend,
truthful, vain, wonder, wavy, weaver, well-built,
wonder,
worried, worry,
worthwhile,
wrinkle,